What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right, so today I got in the Dbrand Prism 2.0, and this is for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. As you can see there, when you order this, they send you 2 of them. All right, and along with that, I also ordered a skin, a Dbrand skin, and I've actually already put the skin on there. So here is my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. All right, bring that into focus for y'all. Here's my 9 Pro Fold, and here is the back. All right, I kind of went with the teal color for the skin that I put on there, and I think it came out pretty good. Looks pretty nice. All right, this is what I had on before. I was wearing the later case on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but I wanted to see if I could go without a case at all. Like, I went from bigger, bulkier case to thin little case to no case. All right, so I'm gonna see how this works. It feels fine. It feels like I have enough grip, even though there is no extra grip on the sides. It's just this smooth kind of skin on the back, but I like the way it looks. I think that came out pretty nice. All right, but right now I currently have on the phone this Super Shields screen protector, tempered glass screen protector. All right, but I wanted to actually try this Dbrand one because it appears to go edge to edge. And if you all can see here, let me give it a wipe down. See if I can show you all a little bit better. This one doesn't go edge to edge. Let me see if I can bring it closer for you. You see there's a gap in between the screen protector and the actual edge here. There's a little bit of a gap. So I believe the Dbrand one goes edge to edge. So I'm going to try that out and see how that works. So let's go ahead and get into it. From what I've seen, the cases or the screen protectors, these screen protectors are supposed to be very easy to install. All right, so here it is. It says I can read instructions, and then it gives you the instructions. All right, and then if you open up this side, I can't read instructions, so you go to the video. All right, so first things first, tells you to turn off your phone. So let me turn it off. Power off. All right, Pixel 9 Pro Fold is now off. Clean your screen with alcohol wipe. All right, here's some instructions. Prism 2.0 is designed to flawlessly install your screen protector. In order to do this, the installation tray must fit your device properly. As a result, if you're using one of our full coverage skins, the ones that wrap around the sides, which mine does not, the tray will be slightly too tight. If you're using using a skin that only covers the back, you can stop reading this card. All right, cool. I only have one cover in the back. All right, so let's take this out. Let's grab the cleaning kit. Cleaning kit comes in a nice little box. All right, scan for instructions. Okay, and it includes a squeegee, alcohol wipe, and microfiber cloth. All right, so let's get into this. This is an extra one. This is a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, slide this to the side, and let's bring out, that's the squeegee. Let me put my remote to the side there. Goodness, got a lot of stuff on my desk. All right, this is your black microfiber cloth. All right, put that to the side. And these are the alcohol wipes. All right, 2 alcohol wipes in the box. I'll put one back in there. clean your screen using the alcohol wipe. That's the first step. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. And then, boom. All right. Take this and give it a, oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I didn't take the, let me take this one off. All right. So that is the Super Shields. Super Shields is off now. All right. So let's give it a good clean. Good clean before we install the new one. I was going to put a whole nother screen protector on top of a screen protector. Oh, man. It's late. It's late here. You know, I'm getting a little tired. But got that nice and cleaned. I wanted to wipe it a little bit extra because I did have that other screen protector on there, and you know, the extra residue of the, you know, the screen protector. All right, wipe it dry using the microfiber cloth. All right, you know what? I'm not gonna use the black one. I'm gonna use this other one that I just got from them as well. This is a Dbrand one, brand new. Wipe it down. All right. Notice that scratch there I got right when I bought the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Within a day, I had a deep scratch on it. All right. So now your screen should now be spotless. Okay. Attach the installer to your phone with the pyramid logo at the top. All right. Attached to my phone. Pyramid logo is at the top. Okay. Now, remove the pull tab completely. All right, so here's the pull tab. Let's see if I can get that in focus. Here is the pull tab. Remove it. And I removed that completely. And then it says, swipe along the dotted line. Swipe along the dotted line. All right. Wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the tray by peeling from the top. All right. Remove the tray from peeling from the top. All right. You will likely notice bubbles. Don't panic. Use the included squeegee to sweep them out. There's just one bubble. Just one gigantic bubble. And the squeegee instantly got rid of it. All right. No other bubbles to be found. I'm just trying to get this little excess here. And that's it. It's all gone. Let me get the wipe. Wipe that down. Man, that was easy. That was a lot easier than even I expected. And edge to edge. Okay, let me get the squeegee a little bit more there at the top. A little bit of liquid, it looks like. But edge to edge. Man, that is actually edge to edge. And that went on so easy. I know I saw MKBHD almost do it blindfolded. I saw some other videos that showed it. But that is actually edge to edge right there. Goodness gracious. That was super easy. You all can see it right there. It's on. Well protected. So Dbrand came through in the clutch today. I got my skin on the back. I got my edge to edge screen protector. I'm good to go. All right. Thank you for watching, I guess. I don't know what the, let me power it on. Let me see if it, let You know, all the texting and screen swipes and everything are the same. Let me give a little wipe down on the side because a little dirt I feel while I'm waiting on it to load up. But man, that was really fast. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer than that. That was pretty fast. I really like that it is edge to edge and nothing can hit right there. You know what I mean? Because I've already got a scratch. I don't need anything to get into one of those corners and mess it up. But it's already on there now. Open it up. Boom. And we're in here. Close it back. There. Let me enter my PIN. Off to the side here. All right. And we're back. Phone powers up. Swipes. Everything is good to go. Nothing is delaying. Let's see on McGrath TV. Google that, and it's me. Everything is working just fine. So yeah, I don't see any issues with it. I'm working just as fine as the Super Shields one that was on there before. And when the screen is on, you can't see that scratch. So I don't mind. It does suck that I got to scratch that fast, but it's not that noticeable. But phone is protected. It feels great in the hands. You know what I mean? Just like this. And I'm satisfied, man. I'm satisfied. You can order the screen protector. I think you can get a bundle and get the two like I got, and it was 29 bucks, 29 and some change. And then this was, I think, an extra $17 or so, like that, 18 bucks or something. So I think it was like total shipped was about 50 bucks for the skin and the screen protectors. So I think that's a good deal. And for the protection that you get, I know the Super Shields was cheaper. It was only 10 bucks. And it comes in a pack of 3, but this Dbrand one is edge to edge protection. No, you know what I mean? Like it is all right there along the sides. There's like a little barely tiny line, but this is pretty much as edge to edge as it's gonna get, man. And this is the one you would want for full protection. If you were to put a case on here, like if I were to put the later case back on, is gonna cover that. You see, you slide this back on, now your case is covering from, you know, the metal sides, the metal portion, and then your screen is going right onto the edge of the case. So if I ever decided to go back to this, I'm fully protected. I'm good to go because it's edge to edge, man, and you can't beat that. All right. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Pretty nice. Peace.